What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Just a quick video to bring you the latest skin from DBrand that I am a big fan of. This is the Teardown series from DBrand, so it's basically going to try to give you what the innards of your device looks like when you put it on as a skin. I think that's really, really cool. DBrand actually teamed up with JerryRigEverything, and this is what they actually produced. So I'm going to bring the whole curtain effect here into a play here, because under this DBrand label is the phone with the skin applied. Do you want the quick reveal or the slow? Let's just give you the slow tease. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I wish I had some stripper music here. Boy, that would just be perfect right here. There we go. Oh, look at there. Look at that. Oh. No pasties. Full on. There you go. She just got naked for you. Look at that. iPhone 14 Pro Max version right here. Skin the camera area. Skin the phone. Here's our MagSafe. If you ever wondered what it looked like, there you go. I don't have to take the phone apart to show you, because somebody else did that. And they said, hey, this is what the birthday suit looks like, right? So this is again the Teardown skin, and just to look really, really cool here, I've got this charger. So we're gonna marry these up like so, and we're charging. Look at that, skin on skin. Not really. This isn't skinned. I just had to say that. Check the show notes for the DBrand links for the Teardown series. This one, I'll try to have just that one, the iPhone 14, but I'll also have the others, because they've got stuff for almost everything out there, right? For the Teardown. Well, whatever's been torn down and identified. But I think you'll like the variety. So check out the DBrand link. This is not sponsored by DBrand. I did buy this with my own money, and they have not obviously reached out and said, hey, you can't say that in your video or anything like that, because the stripper stuff, that's all me. I'm just saying. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that little notification bell so you'll be notified when we bring you this kind of content again. And then, yeah, it just keeps getting better and better. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.